unveiled the new product of Magnum India at a shopping plaza in central Mumbai. Take a look.
Well, it feels absolutely amazing because I myself have been a huge Magnum fan. Ever since I was a child, it was always like I was obsessed with Magnum. And of course, today to be the pleasure ambassador is an absolute honor. And today is, of course, even more special because I think it's an iconic flavor in its own way because it has chocolate and brownies, two of my most favorite desserts combined together, so which is, the Magnum brownie. So obviously, I think it's a big day for the entire team, and we're all very excited. And of course, we're waiting for the press also to take a little bit of a nice bite into it, get into the chocolate, hear that biting, cracking sound, and give us your feedback. That obviously, it's absolutely amazing. Well, I think it's quite stylish. Just like me.
Of course.
And I think that it's a perfect fit, because there's something about chocolate that's just extremely stylish. And brownies, of course, everyone loves universally, everyone loves brownies. So I think that that's the first word that comes to my mind. मुझे तो सिर्फ Magnum पता है, बाकी कंपनियों में कोई interest नहीं. But it's so difficult to obviously choose because I'm such a chocolate girl. I'm obsessed with, the 100% Belgian chocolate that, of course, Magnum is made of. But, of course, I think the first time that you take the bite and you hear the sound, the crackling sound that you hear, I think that just sends me into, like, moons and moons that just go on, like I'm in this world of chocolate and brownies. Of course, I think thoda chocolate khane se, and especially the Magnum brownie flavor, I think definitely it just uplifts your mood. And, of course, once in a while to indulge, I think there's nothing wrong at all. बल्कि अच्छा होता है, स्किन के लिए अच्छा होता है, दिल के लिए तो और अच्छा होता है. I think जब मैं स्कूल में थी तो as soon as school would get over, before I would reach home, I would eat the ice cream because my mom would never allow me to eat it. So before telling her and reaching home, I used to quickly keep my pocket money to buy all the ice creams, gobble it up in the building before coming up in the lift. And even now, of course, if I had my way, I would gobble up all the Magnum brownie flavors before going to bed. In fact, he loves eating ice cream, if I may say, a lot. In fact, Magnum का जो classic flavor है, I have to literally tell him that, Saif, you've already had two, you can't keep eating more. I think, of course, हम बहुत ही खुश हैं, and अभी मैं एक फ़ोटो देख रही थी, किसी ने दिखाया कि I think he's looking absolutely amazing, and we're really looking forward to seeing संजू जी back on the big screen, because मैं खुद ही संजय दत्त की बहुत बड़ी फ़ैन हूँ.
Hi, this is Faridoon Shahryar. For the most interesting celebrity interviews, do subscribe to Bollywood Hungama. Keep on watching.